Hi guys, this is your girl Vaughn, aka Blended Beauty. Welcome to my channel. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, tap, hit, or smash that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. While you're there, go ahead and select that bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Also give this video the thumbs up. All right, guys, I decided to do this look here. I was actually going to do another one, but because here in Florida, it is storming. It is raining. It's gloomy. I decided to go with this one here, you know, to kind of brighten things up. You know what I mean? All right, guys. As you'll be able to tell in the video, I used quite a few palettes, and I also had a little itty bitty tiny lighting issue, but I corrected. Okay. All right, guys. If you would like to see how I achieved this look here, you know what to do, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Let's go. All right, guys. As you can tell, I have not put on my translucent powder to set my primers. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get ghostly right up in here right now. All right, guys, next up is my Vaseline. You knew I need it. All right, guys, so we're going to be going into the James Charles palette. Ooh, look at this hair. We're going to be going into the James Charles palette, and I will be pulling out the shade, which is right here. It's called Love That, and that's going to go into the crease. All right, guys, next I'm going to go into B. And if you can see it, B is a yellow, which is right here. All right, guys, so we're going into the 3503, and we're going to pull out this green here, which is Egypt, and that's going to go on the lids. Okay, guys, back into the James Charles, and we're pulling out Daddy, which is this dark green here, and that is going to go in the corners. All right, guys, I'm going to tap into a little bit of the black, and I'll put it in the corners. All right, guys, next up, I am going into the e.l.f. liquid liner in black. I almost forgot it for a minute. All right, guys, I am so undecided on lashes. They're both from the Poppy and Ivy, the 5D Darting lashes, but these are Missy and these are Lola. What I don't want, can you guys see that? What I don't want is to take over the eye look, so I'm gonna go with Missy. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you what I do because Simply Kate asked me to show her how I do my lashes when I say I'm gonna let them get tacky. All I do is I just go in like this, you know, simple, just putting the glue on the strip. All right, guys, and then I take the lash and I just lay it on an old back from some lashes. All right, and that's it. All right, while that's getting tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. And today I decided to go in with CoverGirl True Blend. Love this foundation. All right, guys, so I went on ahead and installed my lashes off camera. And next up is the concealers. I'm going in with Too Faced and I'm going in with Wet n Wild. Okay, so now let's blend it out with the damp sponge. To set, guys, I'm gonna go in with Sasha Buttercup. All right, guys, to contour, I'm going into my trusted Black Radiance. This is their True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm pulling out this shade here. All right, guys, to set and wipe away the Sasha Buttercup, I'm going into the L'Oreal Infallible, and this is in the shade Cocoa. All right, guys, to bronze, I am going into Mocha Mommy. All right, guys, for liner, I am going to go in with this lime green. Guys, I just noticed my camera was out of focus. I hope it wasn't too bad, guys. I really do. But anyway, we are going into 3503. I know you're saying, how many freaking palettes is she gonna use? Okay, so I'm gonna blow out my lower lash line with Come Alive. Ooh, I know y'all say this is sickening. But guess what? The girl is going in at 39. The 39L, and I am pulling out this shade here. It's like a really pretty pink. I don't know if you can see. There it is. That I'm going to put in my inner corners. All right, guys, so I am going in with my blush, and this is Black Radiance, and this is Brick House. Where the freak is my blush? Where's my brush, guys? Hold on. Wait a minute. All right, guys, and for highlighter, I'm going in with No Spray Tints by Basic Beauty. Yeah. All right, guys, for lips, I'm undecided. Well, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna line with, I don't know. It's by Sugar, but I forget the name of this. And then I'm gonna go in with Serica lip pencil. And this is in G, I don't know. But it's big. So let's get started. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. and this is the Matte Magic Mist and Set. All right, guys, that is all that I have for you. And if you did not smash that subscribe button coming in, please consider smashing it on your way out. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.